Well, in 2 minutes or less, here's how to replace the front indicator cluster on your 100 series Land Cruiser. This is a genuine Toyota part which I bought from Amayama because this aftermarket one, which was 20 quid, failed in less than 6 months. This will be dead easy. Pop the bonnet, get yourself a screwdriver. Phillips is good, GIS is better because Japanese screws, Japanese screwdriver. Remove this one screw at the top. Don't drop it, you'll never see it again. Toyota has provided a handy foam tray for putting stuff in. Feel free to use that. Pull your headlight forward, tuck it underneath the front wing, disconnect the loom plug with a little squeeze and it pulls off. Chuck away the old one. Bring the old one back because you forgot to disconnect the bulb cluster. You need that. Line up the tabs so that it goes in. One of the tabs is longer than the other three, so make sure you line that up and then twist it clockwise to lock it into position. Reconnect your loom plug. You might get a clip, depends how old it is. Tuck it under to get it back into position. Sometimes I'll just use a little finger to help get it over the top there. Slide that rearwards until you hear the click. Put your screw back in, and you might have to give it a good shove depending on how well aligned all of your panels are. Close your lid and step back and admire how clean that one is, and then think, oh no, now I'll have to replace all the headlights. But not yet. Anyway, that's how you replace your front indicator cluster. Easy. Thank you for watching and good luck if you're going to try it yourself. It's dead easy, you only need one screwdriver. And 5 minutes, maybe, probably less.